You can add your own brand color here, or you can leave it as default too. Next, we have the typography, which will help us change the headings and other texts from this page. You can also change them if you want to stay consistent with your store fonts. Lastly, we have this checkout layout option. You can either select a one-page checkout or a three-page checkout. I personally recommend that you use the one-page checkout option, as the three-page checkout process can be a bit lengthy, and maybe the customers will abandon their cart in between. Okay, now I will simply click on this Save button on the top right to save all of these changes. And then I will simply exit this editor by clicking on this Exit button. Next, we have some other options here, which will help us further customize the checkout page. First, we have the Customer Contact page, where you can select what information you want to collect from your customers. For example, I can decide whether I want to collect just the email or the email with the phone number of the customer. Next, we can also check this option, which will require the customers to create an account on your store. However, it is not recommended as it may increase the sales resistance, and you may lose some customers because of this. Next, we have the customer's personal information settings. Here, we need to select all the information that we want to get from our customers. You can also set some fields as required or optional based on the product you are selling in your store. For now, I will simply follow the Shopify recommendation for these fields. Next, we have the marketing options here. Here, I will select both emails and SMS options. Next, you can also enable the tipping option here, which will allow your customers to send some tip. But for now, I will simply uncheck this option. Next up, we have the address settings, where I will go with the recommended settings. Next, we have the abandoned checkout email settings here. This is a very important setting. If any customer will abandon their cart after filling the checkout info, they'll get notified via email if you enable this setting. Personally, I don't recommend this setting as well. Instead of this, I like to use an email marketing tool called Klaviyo. With Klaviyo's email automation system, you'll be able to create much better automation than this one. I've created a detailed tutorial on Klaviyo email marketing tool as well. You can watch that video using the link which is given in the video description.